This is how Spain's hoping to win the war on the coronavirus. Police are among the first to be tested, but it's hazardous work for these medical staff. A large number of those testing positive are health workers. In Madrid, where an ice rink's been turned into a makeshift morgue, war hearses arrived on Thursday. The death toll's risen to more than 4,000, overtaking China. And in Italy, still Europe's worst affected country, the dead have been temporarily stored in churches before being sent for cremation by army truck. In a deserted European Parliament chamber, the Commission President urged Europeans to show solidarity. Several EU countries, including Germany and France, have banned exports of protective gear to avoid shortfalls at home. Ursula von der Leyen warns the practice undermined Europe's joint response to the crisis.
We all share this responsibility. None of us can do it alone. And certainly no member state can handle this crisis on their own. And because in this crisis, and in our union more generally, it is only by helping each other that we can help ourselves.
In Paris, health workers are conducting drive-through testing in the streets. France's death toll rose by 28% on Thursday. Tracing the spread of the virus is vital for controlling it. President Macron is one of several world leaders joining G20 talks remotely, hoping for a global approach to the pandemic. On the same conference call, the Russian President Vladimir Putin. He believes Russia can defeat the virus in less than 3 months with tough measures. The country will suspend international flights from Friday, and Moscow will close all shops except pharmacies and grocery stores a day later. In the UK, the British vacuum cleaner maker Dyson has joined a growing number of technology companies developing ventilators. This, as work to convert a massive exhibition hall into an emergency hospital, continues in East London.
And I've been ill for 2 weeks.
One British woman's stark account of having the virus has been shared online. Karen Mannering is 26 weeks pregnant.
I have pneumonia on both lungs. And I'm fighting for me and my baby. It's not worth going out.
The British government promised to ramp up testing by the end of the week, with hospitals in London told to expect a continuous tsunami of patients. Scientists are warning many countries in Europe that the worst is yet to come. Niamh Barker, Al Jazeera.